I was gifted this automatic feeder for my aquarium and I am surprised by its features. I have 2 axolotls and I travel a lot, so I had to try it. It arrived in this cute box nicely packaged, and it included feeding size adapters and an easy to understand manual. First, you insert the batteries, which are included in the US only. You can program it to release food every 8 hours, 12 hours, or 24 hours. Next, lift the lid and add the food. I just realized I need to buy more food for my axolotls. You can also feed on demand pressing the hand button. The food comes out from the left side. Next, you can use the clamp to place it on the side of your fish tank. It also includes a sticker to glue it to a wall. I tested it and a lot of food came out, so I used one of the included adapters to reduce the feeding size. It was very easy to do by pressing and holding this button. After that, I placed it on my aquarium again and it will automatically feed my axolotls. It will be very handy when I'm away. I am very pleased with this product. It was so easy to set up and it works well. My name is Gabby. Thanks for watching my review.